How did Ukraine manage to carry out a drone attack deep inside Moscow? The answer reveals unexpected advances in drone technology and strategy that changed modern warfare. Ukraine's success relied heavily on the use of advanced drone technology. These drones are small and agile, making them hard to spot on radar. They come equipped with GPS guidance and encrypted communication systems, allowing them to navigate deep into enemy territory without interception. This technology gave Ukraine the ability to strike targets within Moscow's borders, far from the front lines. Another key factor was Ukraine's ability to exploit weaknesses in Russian air defenses. Moscow's layered defense systems are designed to detect and destroy conventional aircraft and missiles, but small drones are harder to track and intercept. Ukraine targeted specific gaps and used low-altitude flight paths to bypass radar coverage, allowing drones to penetrate deep without triggering alarms. Such daring operations require detailed planning and real-time intelligence. Ukraine's military intelligence provided vital information on air defense patterns and vulnerabilities. This allowed drone operators to plan precise routes, timing, and targets, minimizing risks and maximizing impact. The coordination between intelligence and drone teams was crucial to the operation's success. Beyond physical damage, these drone attacks had a psychological effect. They demonstrated Ukraine's ability to strike inside Moscow, breaking the sense of security in the Russian capital. This surprises opponents and boosts Ukrainian morale. The operation also signals a shift in modern warfare, where small drones can challenge traditional military power. Ukraine's drone attack deep inside Moscow is a testament to how technology, intelligence, and strategy combine to redefine modern conflict. It's a new kind of warfare where small drones can deliver big surprises. If you want more fascinating answers to questions you didn't know you had, hit subscribe now.